everyone, it's Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And today I'm going to do a ring pour on my pottery wheel. I've never done this one before. And I'm going to be using a 12-inch round canvas, which fits nicely over the pottery wheel. I'm just checking to see how that's going to spin around. Okay, just wanted to check that out, see how that was going. And I'm going to be using a few specialty colors today. I have a nice red mixed up here. I have a beautiful red with a few other colors, and I will be listing all the colors down below. I have a beautiful gold here. And I have a little bit of an Amsterdam titanium white. Titanium buff white. And I have and a rose gold mixed with a few other colors. I'm sorry, I don't have all those colors because I kind of lost them in the long run somewhere. But actually, now that I'm looking at this, I may mix. No, I'm going to leave it the way it is. Yeah, I don't want too many colors in this ring pour, so I may just leave it exactly the way it is. I may put a black in there at some point. I'm not sure. We'll see as we go along the way. I do have an Amsterdam Oxide black mix if I do want to add some in. So let me fill up a cup here, which I thought I already had my cup, and I'm not seeing it, but I do have my new silicone cup that I wanted to be using. So I'm going to use that. Here's a silicone cup that I have. So let me start using that. So I think I'm going to start off with my red. In fact, let me put all my, here we go. Put a little of that black in between, just a little drop. Put a little of that rose gold. Finish up that titanium buff. Put that rose gold in there. Some black. Okay, I think this is more than enough, honestly, for this size canvas. And the only thing about these silicone cups is you can't see the beauty of the layers. But we know how beautiful that cup looks already. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to lay down some of that rose gold in the middle. And what that's going to do is that's going to make me finish up my rose gold. And I'll put these two along the side here. And let's begin that pour. I thought I was in the middle, and I'm thinking I was not. I'm very sad about that. Okay, got my middle down, pretty nice. And try and move that over a little bit. Over the edge. Flow extender. Yeah. Before that spreads too far. That looks pretty cool. Pretty cells popping up there. My interesting palette. And we can give that a little wreck. Wow, look at that. Wow, the way the sun is shining in. Your time of day here. Look at that. have half and half here. That is quite interesting. That is quite interesting. Wow. I think I like this. I like it just the way it is. Now, look at all those layers and layers and layers. Can you see that? Wow. So here it is. I would love for you to leave a comment below and let me know. I'm going to bring you in for a close-up here because this one is definitely going to look great on somebody's wall. Bring you in for that close-up. Please let me know what you think about this. And working on the pottery wheel. I love working on my pottery wheel. I really do. That's the reason I got it, and experimenting with it, using it for different things. I've never used it for what it's supposed to be used for, but I love painting on it. So please leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think about it. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. I do a pour a day, and I'll be back tomorrow. Who knows with what? It's always an adventure here. This is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off today. Have a great night, everyone. Have a great weekend. Please be safe out there. Don't forget that thumbs up. Bye-bye now.